Hello students, this is class 8 mathematics. I am Charulata Medkar from Samarpan Gyan School. In the lesson data handling, we see some important multiple choice questions which can ask in the section A for 1 marks. See the first question. Observe the following bar graph carefully and answer the following questions. Scale is given 1 centimeter equal to rupees 1000. See the y-axis. On the y-axis, expenditure in 1000 rupees is given. Means on x-axis, if 1 is given, this means 1000 rupees. 2, 2000 rupees. 6, 6000 rupees. That is given the scale. On x-axis, there are servant salary, convenience, rent, food, fees and recreation. These are the terms noted on x-axis. Now for reading of this bar graph, how to read? Suppose the fees. For the fees, how much expenditure they are taking. Then what expenditure in the column of that fees? 2 means 2000 rupees for the fees. For the food, expenditure for the food is 5000 rupees. This is the reading of the bar graph. Read this and write the questions of the answers of the questions given below. On which item has the maximum expenditure been done? Maximum means which bar have the more height compared to the other one. This is more heighted, means what it is? Convenience. Then answer is what? Option A. In which item has the minimum expenditure been done? Minimum means very small. Then this is the very small. Where it is? Servant's salary. Then servant salary is again option A. What is the expenditure done on food? On food, just now we see food 5. 5 means what? 1000 rupees means 5000 rupees. Like way to give the answers of the questions related to the bar graph. Sometimes instead of the bar graph, table is given. Study the following frequency distribution table and answer the questions given below. Class interval in ages. Ages in year is what? 15 to 20. Means 15 age to 20 age. How many number of person? 12. 12 persons have the age between 15 to 20. 20 persons have the age between 20 to 25. 6 persons age 35 to 40. Like way the table is given. This information is what? Ages in years and number of person. See the question. What is the size of the class interval? Size. For finding size, what the formula I told? Bigger minus smaller or upper minus lower. Upper is 20, lower limit is 15. Then 20 minus 15 is 5. Okay. 40 minus 35, again 5. Means in this way, what is the size of the class? 5. Then option is A. See the next question. What is the lower limit? What is the lower limit of the class interval 35 to 40? 35 to 40. 40 is upper. Then 35 is the lower. Then find the option which shows you the 35. It is in the option D. Therefore, answer is D. Got this? Understood? Like way you have to solve. Now, one more type is there. This is the pie chart. Blue, green, red, yellow. 4 colors are given there. And angles are given. Observe the pie chart and answer the following questions. Which two colors have the same central angle? At the center, two angles are there. 45 is same. This notation for 90 degree, and this is straight angle 180 degree. Then this is 180, 90, 45, 45. Which two are equal? 45 and 45 equal. Means which colors? Red and yellow. Then find the option red and yellow. That is the option A. Got this? In this way, either table form is given, bar graph or pie chart. You have to write the answers. And now the last part is that a child has the block in a shape of cube. One block and a cube shape. If cube shape, then it has the 6 faces, with one letter written on each face as shown below. Means like the dice. Okay. 6 faces are there. On one face there is A written, B, C, D and E, and one more face is with A. Okay. Then the question is what? A cube is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? Total faces are 6. Therefore upon 6 will be the answer. Then upon 6 is one option is there. Here upon 4, upon 2, upon 3. Okay, but we didn't see only upon 6. What is the next part? What? Probability getting A. Then A is coming 1, 2. 2 times. Then probability is 2 upon 6. And 2 upon 6 means what? 2 by 6 reduce it. It will be 1 upon 3. Correct. Then option is 1 upon 3A. Okay. A die is thrown. What is the probability of getting an even prime number? A die. On die, which numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possibility. Total 6. Means upon 6 will be there. Now what we want? Even prime number. Then 1 is not even. 2 is even. 3 is not even. 4 is even, but 4 is not prime. 5 is not even. 6 is even, but not prime. Then prime and even is only 2. How many numbers are there? 1 number. Then 1 upon 6 will be the answer, and 1 upon 6 means option A. Got this? In this way, we cover MCQs of the lesson data handling. You practice them over. Thank you.